Everyone wants to see flowers when they come to the flower show. I didn't know if anybody would care about pens, but I brought them. No one came here looking for a pen. So today, I have to earn every conversation.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I've never seen anything like this before.
That's amazing.
People use pens every day, but they never think about them. So I wanted to see if people would actually buy a pen at a flower show. And believe it or not, this is my second year here, they do.
That is so cool.
They took the comic books and then made them into playing cards, and then I stripped the playing card and made it into a pen.
Whoa, that's a serious pen.
Yes, it is.
Serious pen for a serious
I wouldn't bring
person.
one of those to work with me. I would be afraid that someone would take it.
These are all handmade by me. They're all one of a kind.
They're beautiful.
Thank you.
They're very nice.
You come to a flower show, you don't expect to see pens.
No, I thought they were pipes at first.
These are the different planes from World War II, and they have a little piece of aluminum in there from the plane itself. And then you've got the propeller on here. You've got the engine on the top.
You did a lot of work.
We try.
Okay, I'll take a Betsy.
Thank you.
Cute. That's a Betsy Ross.
That's a Betsy Ross one, yeah.
You designed the matching case.
Yes.
That coordinates with it. Very clever.
Yes.
I've seen like hand-turned pens before, but never with the matching case.
You know, you don't see them made out of playing cards, cigar labels,
Yeah.
watch parts, hand-painted things. All these are different ideas that you have to keep going with different things.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. And I got the cigar pen from my son's cigar special. You know. Love
Exactly.
that. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Boris and Natasha.
Everybody gets a crack out of that.
My last name is Blashik. I'm married to a Russian. So.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Well, you know, school got out at 3:30. I would race home to 4 o'clock just so I could see them.
I went as her to a costume party back in
Oh, really?
I was.
Oh, come on. Got to lift it all the way out.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's what clicks it.
Yes.
Oh, that's interesting. It's a lever action.
Yes,
Like a
that's it.
computer.
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
There's an actual piece of the B-17
Oh,
in
is
there.
it really? So part of it,
Yes.
the metal on there
Yep.
is from an actual B-17, huh?
Yep. Got a little speck in there.
From the wing center
B-17.
section.
Yep.
Awesome.
And then you've got your propeller there.
Yep.
The engine's on the top.
Okay.
And you got little engines all the way around.
Yep. That's pretty cool.
Thank you. In the shop, I'm just shaping this, and it feels small. Out here, it's more than a pen. No one came looking for a pen, but they stopped by and purchased one for someone that they cared about.